what's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. Plan was to leave at 4 a.m. but it's 6 o'clock now. 6:30 and already the beauty of Bangalore. Lot of traffic already at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. nahi. Morning when I got up at, when did he wake me up? 4:30. By the way, he's there to wake us up. Our main alarm. 4:30 కి లేపినారా నన్ను? 5 అని చెప్పినావు? Okay, 5 a.m. No. You woke me up at 4:58. I saw నువ్వు లేపగానే ఫస్ట్ ఫోన్ చూసుకున్నా 4 అనిపించింది. The moment I got up, I opened the window and checked it. That time onwards, there was full on traffic. What is this, bro? See, look at this traffic at 6 o'clock. No, actually, it seems there's a junction here, this Y junction, which is always jammed, and our hotel is right in front of it. I think after this, there's no jam much. Just take a left from here and we go to Ooty. There is a plan for today. Already, Shiva's t-shirt is looking amazing. Where did you get it? ఎక్కడ కొట్టేసావు? Tanlilana. Yeah, BMW original t-shirt, huh? Oh, nice. No? Very good.
GS event.
Oh, you went to GS event and they gave you this? Free, huh? దీనికన్నా వెళ్ళాలి ఈవెంట్కి. You ready? Let's go have some breakfast and get out. This is the breakfast section in Taj, and this is something very interesting we found. Literally an original honeycomb, dripping honey right there. But Shiva is disappointed because he feels this is old. We need a replacement for this.
We need new honeys, live honeys.
అందుకే ఇక్కడ పెట్టాడు. But yeah, breakfast section is really impressive. I mean, of course, for what we paid. చరణ్ ఏదో కష్టపడుతున్నాడు పొద్దునే మాస్టర్ షెఫ్. Okay, did the camera start? I think so. Because yesterday when I tried to vlog, when I started from home, unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but the mic did not capture my voice. Okay, let's see the time, how much it's going to take from here to Ooty. Okay, this is the place we're going to stay in Ooty, Sinclair's Retreat Ooty. Actually, we're staying here in Taj, Bengaluru. By the way, I don't think it's Taj. It's going to be super expensive. It costed us somewhere around, I think, 8,000 rupees, which is almost like 2,500 rupees per head with breakfast, which is very amazing. And yeah, this is the place we're going to, Sinclair's Retreat Ooty. The problem is we did not find any accommodation in Ooty because it's New Year and all that. Proper holiday season. 6 hours, 34 minutes, 304 kilometers from here. And there are actually two routes, if you can see. One which goes through the city, like properly through the city. Luckily time is around 7:50 right now, so not like a very peak hour. But you know Bangalore, right? It is going to be a little bit of a traffic, the capital city of traffic. Once we get onto the highway, it is pretty much easy. And I think ending we have a lot of guards. Not lot actually, but I think around 1 hour of guards or maybe 1.5 hour of guards. So let's go. Oh, actually it is a lot here, 304 kilometers. Let's hit it. Chalo, temperature is a beautiful 20 degrees right now. Pama? ఎవర్తో ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం? Shiva is asking me petrol unda. How much range do you have, Shiva? 70 kilometers on the GS. Charan, yours? 240? Oh, you filled it up, right? Arey, ఇక్కడ left లో ఉంది కొట్టిద్దామా? We have 250 kilometers range, but yes, let's fill it up. నీ బ్యాగులు చూసుకో. Yeah. Okay, we are exiting Bengaluru right now, and I think this is the Mysore road. I mean, it did not start yet. We are in the outskirts of, not in the outskirts of Bangalore. I'm very poor at geography, so let's not talk about that. Even in Hyderabad, I'm not like very confident about routes. That is the reason we use Google Maps all the time. Abhi to hamara navigator Charan is there samne. He's taking care of all the navigation. Shiva is stuck somewhere behind the buses, but yeah, at least traffic is not there. Abhi to time hua 8 o'clock exactly, and yeah, this is how it's going to be till Mysore. After that, maybe it's going to be a little bit better, but then roads are also not that great. I mean, you'll have good roads. Only thing is you'll not have 4-lane highways after Mysore. Till Mysore you have like proper these roads, or maybe 4-lane or maybe 6-lane. But the only thing is Bangalore to Mysore is kind of high traffic area, something like Hyderabad to Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Amazing weather you have here, nice and cloudy skies, which I don't like much. I like clear blue skies, but as long as it's not raining, I'm fine, even if there are clouds. Half of the stress is gone. when the sun is not there on your face. By the way, we did not fill the fuel because the bunk we stopped first. They said it's going to take 10-15 minutes. This ride is going to be 304, at least 300 kilometers. We have 230 kilometers of a range, so one fuel break we need. So whenever I stop, I'll make it full tank. Okay, so this is the left you need to take for Bangalore-Mysore Expressway. Are bikes allowed there? Because usually I don't know, expressways you're not allowed, right? We'll have to go and check. We have to take the risk. Okay. In case someone stops us, we'll say, uncle, sorry uncle, we don't know uncle. Please uncle, leave us uncle. Huge toll gate. ఒక 12 ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో గేట్లో. అదే VIP entry, come. No need to pay toll. Oh, we need to pay. Oh, this is the first time. No. This is like third or fourth time I'm paying bike toll. Agra Expressway also we paid, no? Yamuna Expressway. 200 rupees है उसका toll. But all this is worth it. Like they're giving so much of good infrastructure, I don't mind paying. Yeah, our bike exactly fits. Like there is 3 or 4 inches, 5 inches this side and 5 inches this side. This is made for 2-wheelers, not elephants like this. 22 rupees toll per bike. Remote key battery warning at 50%. This is one flaw in the BMWs, especially the GS. Yeah. Full tank कर दो भैया. ओ भैया कड़िगेशनो కదా మొత్తం. आराम से ఏమై हो गया फुल పోయి ఇంకా ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ अरे लॉक పెట్టినావా नहीं स्लिप नहीं चाहिए. This guy पक्का try to loot us. Be careful with this bunk here. SR after you take a left from the expressway. He put 200 first and he says he reset it to 0 and then put 1800. But Siva and I saw he continued from 200 and so easily he accepted that. See, exactly beside this Kadamba, that SR bunk, be careful. As of now, I think this is officially my worst route ever. అరే ఇట్లా ఎక్కడ ఉందిరా ఇంతసేపు 100 kilometers we are continuously going like this. Lot of traffic, lot of bad roads, lot of constructions. Since the time we started, there was not a single stretch, right? Like where you could do 130, 140. No, potholes is one thing, bad roads is one thing. There is all the time construction. See, everywhere it's like matti, ralu, stones, water. So I think your average speed is going to be around 50-60 max tops. Okay, the moment I said that, roads became better. I think the road gods heard me. But anyways, it is not a 4-lane. By the way, I'm not complaining about all of these things. I'm just giving you an update about how the roads are, how the conditions are. In case you people are interested to do all these rides or drives or whatever. It is a single lane, but good roads. You can do like 80-90 kilometers per hour average. From the last, I think 10 kilometers, roads are fine. But yeah, literally from Bengaluru to Mysore, you need to go through a lot of towns. That is a problem. Because of that, you have a lot of traffic, a lot of bad roads, because there is more usage, right? Anyways, right now plan is to stop for a quick tea break. Weather is fine. We have 25 degrees right now. We break for 27 minutes. That break was including our fuel break and all that. This guy is making a U-turn, I think so. అరే యార్ ఏం చేసినవరా? అరే ఆడు యూటర్న్ కొడుతున్నాను చూపించిండ్రా ఫస్ట్, అందుకు తిప్పుతాడేమో అని ఆపేసి లెఫ్ట్కి వెళ్ళిన. ఓకే, సిన్స్ ద లాస్ట్ 10-15 kilometers roads are like this, beautiful, very nice. We just bypassed Mysore. Mysore is on the right. This is literally going around Mysore. It's like outer ring road. And I think this is a record breaking time that we did not take a break. till now, since the time we started at the hotel, after filling petrol, abhi tak we did not take a single break. 2 hours 47 minutes of the ride continuously without getting down at all. We literally rode for 2 hours 47 minutes, almost 3 hours without getting up on the saddle. That's like insane. Never ever before. See, that is the beauty of BMWs. You can do like long touring, endurance touring without taking a break, which is not recommended. I say you have to take a break, especially if you're not like a very experienced rider. It's better you take a break every at least 45 minutes to 1 hour to keep yourself hydrated, or if you want to eat something, if you want to generally stretch. 3 hours of continuous riding is not recommended. So if this was on a highway, like a proper 4-lane highway, say Hyderabad to Bangalore, 3 hours of ride would let us do almost 300 kilometers or maybe even more non-stop. So 160 kilometers done as of now. Amazing mileage we're getting, 22.7 kilometers per liter, because our ride speed is average 65 kilometers per hour, and as you see, roads were like really horrible. But first 100 kilometers, forget it. We say it is much better, and this is the first time, like I told you, 171 kilometers without standing, without even taking a single break we've done. Right now we stopped for a quick break, and 3 hours of proper riding without even stepping down. Abhi break time has already started counting, 37 minutes. We want to quickly take a break and get out. Another 130 kilometers from here, we'll reach the hotel. And climate is pretty good, 26 degrees as of now. You see how it's shaking? Boxer effect, left and right, left and right. Tank bag it ఊతుంది left right. Slide left and right. నీరు పైకి కొట్టుకుంటుందిరా. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you, there are 5 states that we touched in this trip. Starting with Telangana, obviously, then Andhra Pradesh, then Karnataka, and then we touched a little bit of Kerala. I don't know how did that happen. I need to check in the map, because we've seen the board there which said Kerala. And then after that, Tamil Nadu, obviously, because Ooty is in Tamil Nadu. Come on, Sriman is teaching you geography. Please learn. Poi Sriman దగ్గర geography నేర్చుకోవాలి. Anyways, talking about the main point, Ooty is called I forgot. Udaga Mandalam. Oh yes, I got it. Udaga Mandalam. We can say one thing for sure now. God's on the Emperor for the first time. Oh yeah, sorry. Shiva just reminded Sriman that stupid fellow, you did Leh Ladakh. That was your first guts. See, that's what, dude. 6 months ho gaya ride karke. That is the reason. Hey, Mundi. Tuttu. Shiva. Check post undira. We saw this jam and Shiva said there is something. Switch on your cameras. Maybe there's a lion, maybe there's a tiger, maybe there's a leopard. Ooh. Double dose. Oh, so they were checking vaccination there, but he was just asking. Is it? Oh, this is the border, Karnataka border. We are done. Hey, okay, another 20-25 kilometers left to reach our destination. On the right, and also in the front, you see the mighty Nilgiris. Amazing, right? Full on jammed with clouds. I'm not sure how much is the altitude of this Nilgiris. I think it's around 2,000 meters, if I'm not wrong. Maybe around 1500 to 1800 meters. You can Google that up. From the time Bandipur Reserve started, from there onwards the roads are superb. Here. Van coming in. Hairpin left. Hairpin left, clear. చూసి వెనక కార్ వస్తుంది ఆరామ్సే. A lot of people keep asking me why are you not giving drone shots. Actually, such a place you can give amazing drone shots, but then we realized it is too complicated. Firstly, our drones. Firstly, by the way, we stopped here for some chai, and as a location where you need some hot coffee or chai. Yeah. Anyways, talking about the drone, there is also a limitation for the drone. All our drones are capped at 15 meters, which is approximately around 45 feet. So 45 feet may say, what can you see? Like when I'm riding, I want some nice shots, but then there are too many complicated rules and regulations for a drone. We're better off taking some good shots and just enjoying the views and the ride rather than going through all of that. You understand, right? Anyways, another I think 20 or 25 kilometers from here and we're gonna reach the destination. Literally from there, that is almost like 2000 meters. And we were just discussing, the inclination was so fast. 1820. I was correct. 1820 meters. We came in literally 15-20 minutes. It came up literally from zero. You know, so you can check that on the app as well. And such a nice, amazing place to have hot chai. I mean, look at this. You get an Instagram-worthy photo just like that. You know why is it raining? Because Sriman is here. Seriously, it's drizzling, but a beautiful 16 degrees, amazing. Do we need a heated grips? Shiva, do you want? Yeah, but yeah, definitely Gore-Tex is helping in this climate. It's not like very, very cold. And now we are used to 1 degree, 2 degrees. Don't tell me our resort is here. Full wild feeling. Oh yes, this is the one. Sinclair's Retreat Ooty. Right side on top of the hill. Okay, this is the view we are getting. Almost full foggy, you can't see much. But yeah, looks very beautiful. Nice place. Parking is also pretty good. We wanted to park here actually, but then that's a better place because there's a car parking. So let's go check in. The mother came. You want to see experience wildlife? Not this wildlife, this one. What time did we reach? Did we beat Google's time? Yes, we did actually. By 2 o'clock we were here in the room. ETA was 1:30 when we started at the hotel. It feels so good whenever we beat Google's time. 1:30 we reached here and first thing we did is sleep. I took a power nap. By the way, I thought there's no Swiggy here. Actually there is Swiggy here as well. We ordered food here itself. Dal khichdi and Shiva ordered some dal and steamed rice. And very important, gulab jamun. Okay, so this is the amazing view you get when you come out of the Sinclair Retreat Resort. Once again, me and Shiva are back with our typical jackets. Always this red one.
Same joke.
That can't be repeated. That's epic. We can put the clip if you want. Awesome.
A blue sky is born.
Chala bani. Chala bani. No. That is very natural. And one more thing, you don't need to put a time lapse, you know. Clouds are already moving at full speed. Shiva is capturing a beautiful time lapse here. We'll get those shots, okay? Credit for that is Captain. Offbeat places of Ooty. We don't know how to come here. Go to Sinclair Resort where we're staying. From there, keep walking anywhere you can. Like trails like this.
Place called Ooty Viewpoint.
You'll get a place like this.
It's called Ooty Viewpoint.
It's called Ooty Viewpoint. Oh,
Google
it's
Maps.
actually there on Google. But yeah, we walk like half kilometer from the hotel just to do some time pass. I am okay doing all this because I get cardio. Yesterday we did gym. Today we have to do some cardio.
ఇప్పుడు హోటల్ కి రూట్ చెప్పరా
దొల్లుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవడం ఎక్కడ ఆగుతుంది పోయి బండి. Good thing I got my trekking shoes. They're not trekking shoes, running shoes. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable.
800 రూపాయ
800 rupees. 800 rupees. Yeah, but weather is awesome. Amazing.
ఇక్కడ ఒక కపుల్ ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసుకుందాం అని
There was some poor couple doing something. They were having fun.
శివాజ్ హే ఇక్కడ వెనకాల ఏముంది
శివ అక్కడేముంది పోయాడు. ఊరికే లేచి పాపం. They ran away looking at you. ఇది జంతు వస్తుంది అనుకున్నారు.
ప్రాబ్లం నాతో కాదన్నమాట మీతో
Same Uttarakhand. Yes, బట్టలు కూడా సేమ్. Our adventure still continues. We're still exploring offbeat. Not offbeat, but randomly we're just walking like that and we came across this some haunted looking place. Literally a dead end.
మీ
But looks nice. That pakka looks haunted, this one.
we crossed the sacred gate there is no going back
Once we step inside, it's like you're
because there is a
possessed.
broken elephant statue at the top
Aithe?
someone
And I think there was some line here. You see this COVID line?
ఇవన్నీ
Like social distancing.
లేవడానికి వేసే ముగ్గులు
I say we are doing some time pass instead of sitting in the room. Instead of sitting in the hotel room. We walked through that arch and we discovered this. Some burnt building. Actually looks nice with water and all inside this.
బృందావనం
We'll go inside this. Offbeat places కావాలంటున్నారు కదా దీంట్లో పోదామా? You want to go inside and check out. Someone is here though. This guy. They're trying to check. What's this place all about? అరే టెంపుల్ ఉందిరా అక్కడ.
అదే అంటే నా రాజీస్ ప్యాలెస్
After a long walk of almost 3-4 kilometers with it. 5 kilometers. Celia watch recorded. Almost like 5 kilometers of a walk. Not plain straight walks. It was like up and down. Proper trekking we did. I think we burnt 500 calories today.
అంత లేదమ్మా
అంత లేదు.
మధ్యలో పాజ్ అయింది 11,600 steps
11,600 steps.
kilometers for today
Oh, 8.2 kilometers. 400 kilocalories. We'll fill it up now.
4,000
hi Ronaldo
Hey, namaste Anna. Ronaldo Anna. And that is a secret we can't share. Okay, we are here at this place to be. You have to definitely visit this place. Me and Shiran, when we came in 2018 or 17, we're still confused about that date. When we came here, we visited this place and we loved it. Italian place. If you like pizza, Ooty, if you're coming, definitely visit the place to be. Google me, you can find it. It's got like amazing ratings.
not a sponsor
Shiva unfortunately doesn't eat Italian, but he eats pizza. Mato tirgi we pushed him to eat pizza. Tappaka. So we'll try to give him some sambar pizza. Arrabbiata. We ordered some soup. This is some proper authentic lemon coriander soup, right? Looks interesting and it tastes interesting as well. Definitely 8 out of 10. And we also ordered some garlic bread for Shiva and Indianized pizza for Shiva. There it is. This is margarita. It's samosa dinner. You liked it? Works, basic. Oh yes, we took a auto rickshaw and came. It was a crazy adventurous ride. How much ever we rode till all this time from Hyderabad till here was okay, but this is next level adventure. The road was so bad. There's so much of fog, as you can see. You see that fog coming in this auto, and it's raining a little bit. We had amazing fun. Full on adrenaline rush. Had fun? He was scared actually. Sharon was like, I want to get down and walk.
అబ్బా
లేదారా?
ఏ నువ్వురా నడుద్దామా
I want to walk because it was adventurous.
I
It was nice foggy.
నేను